Hello guys, good day and welcome to today analysis. All right, on today analysis, first what's the day? Today is the 2nd of February, 2020. Is it second or third? Sorry, today is the third. Sorry, please. Yeah, third. Yeah, today is 3rd of February, 2026, and of course today is a Tuesday. So if you're looking, we're starting up with the pound dollar as usual. But of course, before we go technical aspects, we first of all check the fundamental aspects of the market. Meanwhile, while waiting for the fundamental to load, let's look at the DXY. Remember yesterday I said something about DXY. I said DXY like dollar strength. It tells us what we have to expect from the dollar. So if the DXY is strong, that means dollar is strong. And if dollar is, that makes it still weak. Because remember, it was for US. I don't know if you understand how this really works. I really should understand it. When the dollar is strong, that means currencies having dollar as their base currency becomes bullish. Those having dollar as their core currency bearish. So just like our pound dollar has dollar as its core currency, that means it's definitely becoming bullish because dollar is strong. The market will move in line with dollar. So that's what DXY does. Then before we go to that, let's check out the fundamentals for today. You can see right here. Today is February 3rd, and of course you can see it today is Tuesday. So the major news we are expecting today, remember we all most time focus on the United States. If you are trading just trade pair, pound dollar, BCH, and XAUUSD. So you focus just the major news from the United States, and of course the one we have right now is the tentative, which comes up at different times. That means it does not really have a particular time. It can come out at any time. So this is going to be the what's got the job opening. So that's going to be today. So that's the only one that we're actually expecting. And remember, please always remember something. I've already been saying this. I think it's last week that a lot is going to go in the United States, which actually made the United States to start losing momentum. So please take note of that. So that means a lot can be happening. The market can spike bullish, can spike bearish. So whenever you're taking your analysis, at this moment your stop loss is very, very necessary. All right. So let's go into the technical. And since you've seen that the only fundamental we're expecting is just that. Now the technical, we still have to go first to the DXY because the market hasn't balanced yet. Once the market is balanced, you can stop checking out the DXY and focus on our main trade. Now on DXY, we actually marked out, okay, thank God it's still here. We actually marked out this zone yesterday. That the market should break above this. We expect a retest. You can see this a retest then for it to continue bullish. Now let's check what the market is currently doing. Now you can see, remember this was the zone we marked yesterday. You can see then when you go to this level, now this is likely to be retest. Because look at this candlestick. This candlestick shows that there's loss in momentum. Compare this candlestick forming now with this one, this bullish momentum. It actually went to this zone. That is, there's more bullish buyers at this level than sellers. But then let's see this. If this actually closes with, then it comes up again with another bullish candlestick. That means go on, what's it called? United States is still very much bullish. So when it's still bullish, then that means we look for bearish trade on other pairs. All right, so now we wait for the market to actually get here. So then after getting here, if we see a bullish candlestick from there, that means we know that we are going long on gold. That means the dollar strength is still very much strong. So actually that's what I expect. But definitely the market actually do anything at any time. But that's actually what I'm expecting from this market, focusing on the candlestick formations. So if that happens, then that gives me my street analysis. That means I'm looking forward to a bearish trade on my pound dollar since the gold is still strong. Now the same thing is also still valid here. And I can see this zone right here. Now you can see that replacement happening on what's it called? Happening on DXY. This is also it on what's it called? You can see that it's actually, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about now. So that on the DXY is going bearish. Now here is going bullish. So that means if that level holds, that means this level will also hold. So that means if this hold, then that means I like to see a bearish candle form here. A bearish candle form here, that means on the DXY, it's possible that you're seeing a bullish candle form to tell that the market is yet to continue. So if you see something like that happen here, then that means we'll be looking forward to bearish trade on this on our pound dollar. And this is going to be our next target. So let's see what really happened. For now, I would suggest just don't be in a hurry to trade our US space. Just calm down, let the market settle up. Once the market settles in, you can now look for trade. So for now, just be relaxed and let the market do what's doing. But this is what I'm looking at for today on pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, which is BTCUSD. Though it's definitely still going to be similar. You can see BTC has been bearish and it's already at $78,000 all the way from 100,000. It's still actually still very much what's it called? The same. Now, looking at this already, this level is holding, but they can see this momentum telling you that there's not really much of buying pressure there. So if this market should happen to break below this, if you happen to break below this, we wait for a trace, then we go continue with the short. Remember, it's still also paying close attention to that DXY. So if that DXY gives us a long trade there, then that means this is like to give us a bearish trade. So please pay close attention to that too. I'm sure you know I have DXY. If you don't have DXY, just go to Trading View. It's available on Trading View. So you can just check it out on Trading View. It's actually there. And remember, we do this every single day. So if you're not seeing trade opportunity today, tomorrow is the next tomorrow is there. So you can always come here instead of trying to force the market to give you trade. Alright, so since this does not yet given, and once they should go long on this yet, you can see that the XY is not giving us long trade. So that's why if otherwise that's okay, this is a good opportunity. You can see this is support level. I really don't know. Let me check where this was done from. I want to check where this was. Okay, I think it was not taken from here, yeah. So this was actually taken from here. So this is support levels. You can see the market is likely to continue moving in that direction. But since the DXY has not really given us confirmation yet, so let's just wait. Let's not be in a hurry because a lot can still happen. You can see the market still breaking below this because even looking at it from the 15-minute chart, we have an internal structure to still give us this to confirm yet. Let me do this. So if let me take this up, good. Yeah. So now, looking at this already, this is actually still giving us a bit of indecisiveness. Let me use that word, indecisiveness. The only time you can start thinking maybe it's likely to continue bearish. Why? Because it's actually giving us an inverted head and shoulder. You can see the head right here. They can see the shoulder level, this level. So now it's possible that the market breaks above this, test this, then continue. They are told you that don't be in a hurry to rush the market. So let the market do what it want to do. So let's just wait for the market. Whenever the market does, then you can see I've already broken that to 15 minutes, which is our end time frame. The breakers from this, the retest, then definitely if they happen, we are likely to start seeing our DXY giving us bullish, what's it called? Giving us our bearish trade already. So anyway, let's see, keep our fingers crossed and see what happens as it goes by on BTC USD. So go to the final one, which is XAUUSD, and that is gold. So going to the H4, gold seems to be bullish. So that means we are looking for just bullish trade because this level has already been respected. Oh God, I've moved there. I really don't know where that's taking for them, just delete it. But I don't know whether I think it has not done anything for us. So this is the level we are currently focusing on. So I don't know where that was taken from, but since I've already moved this, so let's just leave it. Alright, so let's check out this. Now focusing on this, the market actually is moving to our next zone. So now let's see if this level can hold. If this level holds, similar to what we're expecting on BTUSD. So let's wait for this level to because it's already giving us series of higher highs and higher lows, breaking our previous level and giving us a new one. So you can see breaking above this, tested that, and you can see still moving. So let's wait for you to actually break into this, then wait for the test for us to go long on gold. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the analysis with my three pairs, pound dollar, BTUSD, and XAUUSD. Remember, if the first time you're coming across my video, we do this every single day, dropping analysis. And remember, we don't just analyze the forex market, even the synthetic market. So you can do as we're coming every single day to actually check out the analysis. But meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button. There's actually a bell icon beside it. If you hit that bell icon, then click on all so that any video I uploaded, YouTube will definitely give you a notification that I've uploaded a video for you to watch. And of course, if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, do well to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't followed, please hit the follow button. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please and please always remember to stay safe, and I'm sure you know the final one. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose.